everybody, I'm here again. I'm gonna show you one of my DIY costumes, but please bear with me. These are just pictures because I made this costume when I was not into vlogging yet. My sister asked me to make a costume for their company Christmas party with a modern ethnic theme, so this is it. For the skirt, I made 3 sections, 2 for its flaps or whatever it is, and the center has 2 slits. This is for the top with crisscross at the back. Then sew everything together. Attach a waistband. And here's the whole dress. For the headdress, please see the link below on how to make a headdress from scratch. For this headdress, the materials are satin fabric, skewers, fur, flat beads, used folder, and tassels. I also attached a skin tone chiffon cloth to secure the top. I added fur at the hemline of the skirt for a more interesting look. Char. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.